Hi everyone, it's Kim from Affordably Crafty. It's giveaway time. If you're new here, welcome. My channel is all about learning how to stretch your craft dollar and be affordably crafty. Please like, share, and subscribe so your friends can be affordably crafty too. Also, follow me on Instagram and join my Facebook group where I post all about my deals, steals, and freebies I find in my travels in the crafting world. So, this giveaway will be open until Friday, March 19th at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The winner will be drawn on my Crochetversarry Live Friday, March 19th from 9 p.m. to midnight Eastern Standard Time. Down below, I will link my playlist for all the giveaways that are going to be drawn on my live. So today, I have a vintage kit that's complete and in bag, and it is the cutest. For those that don't know, Bernat Yarns is from Massachusetts. So I tend to find a lot of vintage Bernat stuff out and about in my findings. This is from Peter Patchi's Yarn. I will link down below a walkthrough that I did a long time ago. It's a really fun mill place. But they have a lot of vintage stuff there. Yeah, I love vintage stuff. So for today's giveaway is going to be this complete kit by Bernat Yarns. And this is not sponsored by Bernat or anybody on YouTube. Well, it's sponsored by me, but I bought it with my own money. And this giveaway will be open to, you have to be over 18 years old. You have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You have to like this video and leave a comment below on my general knowledge question. You have to be in a country that's able to receive giveaways from the United States. I am not responsible for taxes, duties, or fees. Once it leaves here, I don't owe any more money to anyone. And I wish everyone the best of luck. So in this kit, it's for a baby cable cardigan. Let me take this out because there's probably a glare from the bag. So there's a baby cable cardigan. I'm estimating this at 1960s, given the age of the other things I found there. There's no date on it, but that's my best guesstimate. It says easy, no sew-in sleeves. Just start at the top and knit straight down. Okay, and this is soft as cashmere and 50/50 meadow spun yarn. So this comes in 3 sizes: a 6-month size, a 1-year size, and a 2-year size. Let's take a look at the yarn. So the yarn included in here is actually pretty soft, and it looks like this. I know, what's everyone saying? Kim, that's pink. I know it's pink, but it was a vintage kit, and I can't pass that up because it's complete. Right? So this is Bernat 50/50 meadow spun yarn, so soft and so strong. Washable color, anti-shrink and stretch. Made in the USA by Amelie Bernat and Sons Co. And this is 1 ounce, 50% virgin wool, worsted for soft comfort, and 50% DuPont nylon for triple strength. And this is in the color baby pink. In this kit, you'll be getting 2 of these. This to me appears to be a 1-weight yarn. As you can see here, it is soft. There's 2 of these. There are the directions for the pattern in 3 sizes. And they're in perfect condition. Every effort has been made to have the knitting directions accurate and complete. However, we cannot be responsible for variants of individual knitters, human errors, or typographical mistakes. So yes, that's right, folks. This is a knit pattern, a vintage knit pattern. project kit. Believe it or not, these are actually harder to find than crochet ones for some reason. I don't know if crochet kits were just more popular. And then it also includes these buttons. There are 7 of them. Let me hold that up in front of the yarn so you can actually see them. They are an off-white pearl color. So this kit includes the little plastic pouch that it came in, the directions to make 3 different size sweaters, 6 month, 1 year, and 2 month. You can only make one with the amount of yarn they give you though. You gotta pick one. And then the buttons and the 2 skeins of pink yarn. Again, this is open worldwide. I wish everyone the best of luck. And again, you need to like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you can. Follow me on Instagram and join my Facebook group. Check out the other videos in my Crochetversarry Live giveaway playlist, which will be linked down below. Or, well, just down below, and it'll also be at the end of this video. My general knowledge question is, at the time that this kit was made, where was Bernat Yarns located? I just need the state, if you can spell it out. And if you don't know, rewind the video and check out the beginning. So yeah, comment that down below, and I wish everyone the best of luck, and I hope you join me on my Crochetversarry Live on Friday, March 19th from 9 p.m. to midnight, where I will be drawing the winners for all of the giveaways in my Crochetversarry Live playlist. Have a creative day and best of luck. Bye-bye.